This is the National Broadcasting System. It has determined 2 ICBM missiles have been launched from Iran and Korea, both simultaneously heading for New York City and Washington, D.C. Please stay tuned. Listen to your radio for further updates. Seek shelter. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Seek shelter. Good morning. Welcome to Resource Prepping. I'm your host, Greg. Yes, it is a drill, and I'm sorry if I scared you. But what would you do if you suddenly heard air raid sirens you never heard before? What would you do if they said, this is not a drill? Are you ready for that? Would you panic? Would you be frozen in time, remembering where you were 9/11 and what you were doing, if you were even alive back then? Would you be frozen and saying, I don't know what to do. I don't know who to call. I'm miles from my house. Do you have a plan of action? Have you developed that? If you're trying to call someone in that state of emergency and your phone saying all circuits are busy, you can't get through, do you know to try and text that person? Text may go through. If you can't get through on phone and on text, do you have everyone on the same page to say, we can't make contact. Plan A is to meet up where? Plan B is to do what? If you are away from home and you get a response from someone, follow your plan. I would say get as much gasoline as you could while you're out. Check to see if the ATMs work and get your money if you have that time. If you have that time. If a ballistic missile has been launched, you only have minutes. I would head home, or plan A, plan B, plan C, whatever you have. If you are in the vehicle, do you have stuff to survive in your car for extended period of time? Do you have a get-home bag? Do you have radiation pills to help slow the absorption of radiation in your thyroid? Do you have clean drinking water? Do you have a way to filter water? Food, blankets, in your clothes, in your car. You saw what happened to the people that got stranded in Virginia, and that wasn't an air raid. That was a natural disaster. Some people were stuck in their cars for over a day, and they couldn't leave. They were cold. They were panhandling food. They were sharing, saying, come on, my car's got a full tank of gas. We can turn the car on and off and get heat and everything else, but, you're stranded. Is everyone on the same page? North Korea has been testing ballistic missiles at least once a week because they see how weak Joe Biden is. Iran just did a video on assassinating Trump, and the White House has still not denounced that. So that means they're okay with doing a mock video, an animation of assassinating President Trump. The White House has not denounced it. So they're okay with it. You think about that. If that had been Obama or even current Biden, they would be outraged and have Psaki the propagandist out there denouncing it immediately in the strongest words that they could possibly muster. Ukraine and Russia will probably go at it. And if they go at it, I'm pretty sure China will say, the United States is not doing anything, nor will they do anything about it, and we'll probably go into Taiwan. Screw the Olympic Games. We'll just cancel them and say it's due to coronavirus. And by the way, they just locked down 3 million people in a city on the event of just what if you're contaminated. So when you hear the sirens going off, if they even have it, or you're in your car and get that message, this is not a test. This is the real deal. We are under attack. Are you prepared for that? Welcome to Resource Prepping. Welcome to new subscribers. Thank you. Please continue to like, subscribe, hit that bell, refer me, share my videos, and most of all, get ready for what may happen. Ask for forgiveness for your sins, get yourself right with God, get baptized. Greg out.